Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now, first of all, a big thank you to Squarespace for making this video possible. I will do a little bit more explaining about Squarespace at the end of this video. Now, in my last video, where I made this dagger from the Game of Thrones, if you haven't seen that video yet, I will make a pop-up appear right here. Well, in this video, I asked you guys to comment some ideas which I should cast in my next video. And one of those comments was from Sir Gooseberry, and this is what he wrote. Would you be able to cast the sword Sting from The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings? That would be awesome. Well, Sir Gooseberry, thanks for this comment, and that's what I'm gonna cast in this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, guys.
you have me back over once again? On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. But it's nothing but a dream. Drug me into sleep to break my fall. Come a little bit closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try.
Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you liked that video, and if you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. So this is the result. It's a solid aluminium sword from the Lord of the Rings. It's called Sting, and I think the result is quite nice, guys. And yeah, it's not plastic, it's real aluminium. So yeah, thanks Sir Gooseberry for your comment, for suggesting this cast, and for everyone else, if you have any other ideas which I should do in the future, just let me know in the comments below, and maybe I will make your idea in the next video. I also want to thank Squarespace for making this video possible. Now, Squarespace gives you a powerful and awesome online platform to build your own website. You can choose from many award-winning templates, and you can start build your own website just with a few clicks. All this can be done from in your web browser without having to install any other software on your computer. They also have an awesome 24/7 customer support to solve any problems you might have when building your own website. Just go to squarespace.com/PressTube and receive a 10% discount on your first purchase. The link is in the description below, so go check it out, guys. Okay, now thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next casting project. Bye bye!